In this video I'm going to show you how to repair your Samsung Plasma TV. This specific model is a 50-inch TV and it's the Samsung FP-T5084. So the problem with this TV set is that basically it wouldn't turn on, or sometimes it would just kind of cycle, would turn on for a few seconds then turn off. So if you're encountering this problem with your Plasma 50-inch TV or even a 46-inch TV Samsung, you probably have the same problem, because different models share the same power supply that I have here. So the first thing, just a couple of things that you need to check for. And the first thing is you need to make sure that the 3 fuses that you have on your power supply, there's one over here, and there's another one up here, and there's one hidden underneath the heatsink down here. So you need to make sure that all 3 of them are fine, that they're not blown. In this case, the person that was attempting to repair the TV before me actually replaced the fuses, but the TV was still doing the same thing. So what's the second thing that you need to check for? There are 4 capacitors on this power supply that are known to leak. Sometimes you may be able to see it. Sometimes you probably won't be able to see it because the capacitors do not appear to be bulky or don't appear to be leaking. So the 4 capacitors that I'm referring are this one over here, this one down here, and let me try to zoom in. So it's this one and this one, and those are the CX. The specific location is the CX834 and the CX835. There's a couple more that you need to replace. And it's this one over here, right underneath the yellow transformer, and this one down here, right underneath the heatsink. And those are the C8614 and C8613. All 4 of them are 2200 microfarads to 10 volts. In this case, what I did is I actually replaced those with 2200 microfarads to 16 volts. Can you replace them for the 10 volts one? That's fine. That's what the power supply was designed for. 16 volt capacitors, 2200 microfarads will work as well, and will actually be able to handle any power surge that the power supply may encounter. So this is the actual one of the capacitors that I replaced. So it's 2200 microfarads to 10 volts, and as you can see, it doesn't show any leakage. That's just a Sharpie mark that I put on top of the capacitor. So I have with me the 4 capacitors that I replaced from the power supply, and as I'm going to show you, after testing all 4, they pretty much tested just fine. So that's 2.53 millifarads, so that's 2.53 times 10 to the 3rd power. So that's about 2500 microfarads, and that's about a reasonable range for a 2200. And this one is about 2400 microfarads, so that's 2.4 times 10 to the 3rd power. also 2.4, and also 2.4 times 10 to the third power. So all four capacitors tested fine with the multimeter. However, once you run power through them, they may actually not perform as they should. So it's recommended that you replace all four, and like I said, make sure that all four fuses are working as well. Okay, so after replacing all four capacitors and checking that all three fuses are fine, you should be able to power on the TV, and it should be able to stay on. Let's go ahead and turn on this TV. Okay, so the TV is on and it's working fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you. Bye.